Today, I just want to talk about what I think we'll be seeing next for the Apple Vision Pro. As I've mentioned in previous videos, Bloomberg's Mark Gurman has said that Apple's planning on releasing the Vision Air in late 2025 or early 2026. But what could this mean for the Vision Pro? I've read some people theorize that the Air model will replace the Vision Pro since it'll be cheaper and lighter, but I kind of find that hard to believe since it'll probably house lower resolution displays and remove features. I love using my Vision Pro for watching movies and playing games through Moonlight, and that's mainly because of how great the displays are. If they really decide to compromise on said displays, I would probably just stick with the Vision Pro. Yeah, it's a heavy device, even with accessories meant to alleviate the pressure on your face, but I don't know if it's bad enough for me to switch to a lower res, weaker headset. I think the Air headset will be great for introducing more people to the Apple Vision world with the cheaper price, but with people that already own the Vision Pro, it's probably just worth waiting until the Vision Pro 2, whenever that comes out. For now, the Vision Pro is enough for me, but in the VR gaming department, it definitely sucks currently. The only way to play PC VR on the headset is through ALVR, which is okay, but as I've shown in my other videos, it depends on your internet strength, and controller support is limited and expensive. For VR gaming, I'll probably buy a big screen Beyond 2 in the future since it's pretty light, has a large field of view, and has great displays. For everything else like watching movies, working on videos, or whatever, I'll just use my Vision Pro. Anyways, what are your thoughts on all of this? Let me know in the comments, and make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and take care.